Kia ora mai koutou e mātakitaki ana I Toku Reo, Toku Ohooho. I'm Te Reo Chan, and with the help of our lovely cast of actors, I'll be helping demonstrate how kiwaha used by our tipuna can still be used in our conversations today. Some of us work pretty hard for a good kai, and that's exactly what our next whakatauki is all about. Putting that same energy into all aspects of life. Tohea ko te tohe o te kai. Enei rā.
Sweet burgerings!
Bang, tohea ko te tohe o te kai.
Hey, what you on about?
If you spend more time drilling over here than your beloved burgerings, you might have a chance.
Bro, burgerings are so good.
Bro, koretaki.
Au we, e tino ngā kaunui ana kemara ki te kai nera. And that's exactly Kane's point. If he put as much effort into getting to know the girl as he did chasing the burgerings, she might actually be interested. Mātaki mai anō.
Sweet burgerings!
Bang, tohea ko te tohe o te kai.
Hey, what you on about?
If you spend more time drilling over here than your beloved burgerings, you might have a chance.
Bro, burgerings are so good.
Bro, koretaki.
So there you have it, e hoama. When you see someone not putting perhaps as much effort into their sports, responsibilities at home, their mahi aha kua te aha, you just say to them, e hoa, tohea ko te tohe o te kai. Te rawe hoki o ngā whakatauki nera e hoama, and the fun's just getting started. Keep it locked for more whakatauki and kiwaha later in this R&P series. Toku Reo, Toku Ohooho.